What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today we're gonna have to unbox a surprise drop that I bought on the Nike.com. Trivia first. Do you know who is the NCAA player that went to the NBA who blew the basketball shoes, the Paul George 2.5? Think about it. Who is this one? Well, if you didn't know about this NBA player that did this, where have you been? Okay, so this is Zion Williamson. He already had this 75 million contract with Jordan Brand, which is the richest annual rookie shoe deal, in the NBA history. He debuted the Jordan 34 gold that has some kind of BAYOU boys at the back. Another drop was the Jordan 35, including this one. But this one is his first Jordan release collaboration. So without further ado, let's do the unbox. It is kind of different color of the box, not the usual Jordan black with the red ones, just like this one. It's kind of unique though. So I got lucky. I got two of this one, and I got the size 11 and size 10 and a half, which is my size. Pop this one. 10 and a half, my size. Boom. There you go. Let's talk about a little bit on this one. It says here the Air J Zoom Air Comfort. So designed in Beaverton, Oregon, engineered for ultimate comfort. Collar is made of two free floating foam panels for more relaxed fit, and foam pads under perforated lining in both the tongue and collar for added comfort. Sock liner heel, zoom bag for loaded into foam drop. So all the lab is like in Jordan 1s. It's just the OGs, but for me, I would like to have more something onto it. Like we like the upper, and then we have additional. Oh, without further ado, let's take this out. So it has some kind of plasticky wrap with some lettering. Ooh, there we go. Whew. It comes with additional lace, which is violet, and both the original had the black. This one is the Air Jordan 1 Comfort BAYOU boys in collaboration of New Orleans and Zion Williamson. Whew. This one comes with the mixture of orchids, new orchids, lime blast and black. So wow, nice. So it comes with a tie-dye like mesh fabrics, a knit side panel split by a cut of suede shoes, suede on the toe box, and the collar alongside a purple crocodile skin leather. So this part somewhere here are all most likely somewhat a purple crocodile skin. So which, if you could touch it, is somewhat inside here on the back and also right here. That's a giveaway. That is one of premium kind of Jordan 1. So more things going on. Comes with the Zoom Air tongue and also BAYOU boys branding underneath the pad. Also indicated the collar is made of two free floating foams panels for more relaxed. Right here and here it has 1 and 2 foam exposed ankle area with some kind of it feels like more extra padding, and also this kind of exposed thing. It's somewhat like a deconstruct vibe, like the off-white deconstruct style including here and also the tongue, which is more interesting. And the black lining here with a vibrant green, the rubber outsole, which like pop more color, not too much color on the upper, but when you flip it like that, more color. Bad for this one, the color, the purple of color purple with crocodile skin, and then the suede on the toe box, cool. And also the most important, what I really like, it comes with this Zoom Air, which is more comfortable when you are walking there. More support, which has this Zoom Air. Who wouldn't want that one? So getting a lot of more things on this Jordan 1 Zoom. And it is, they just dropped this one out of the blue with the Jordan 35. So the important thing that I really like with this Zoom technology is the comfort, where you feel bounce back, and it has like bounce back responsive, unlike the OG, which is like flat and something like that. Not just good looking. They're not just good looking. This one is had the futuristic design. It's also with the comfortable because of the Zoom Air unit that sits directly under the insole that runs from the heel to the toe. So with that, I really admire this one, because I would say some kind of limited, because it just dropped out of the blue. All in all the combination of the croc skin, a kind of futuristic vibe, which is what really attract me. Not to forget comfort wise. So why I'm holding this for resale and for the collection, the first Zion Williams, also this is his first Jordan 1, incorporate the collaboration with the New Orleans vibe. It feels like a combination of shoe surgeon. If you know shoe surgeon, he likes to put crocodile skin on the shoes, so something like this one. It has the shoe surgeon style plus off-white vibes. Shoe surgeon style, off-white, and then comfort with the Zoom Air. What do you think on this Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort BAYOU, boys? I would love to hear your thought. Can you please leave a comment down below? And with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. If you really like it, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. With that said, thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Please, mag-ingat po kayo.